What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have a lot of news directly related to Lucid, and some of them are quite positive, and some of them unfortunately might be not so positive at all. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we completed all 5 wave structure right here with this movement from its lowest point of $13.12 all the way up to almost $20 mark. And right here at this point, when I made the video before my previous video, I've told you that we should have a retracement, and this retracement should land at least at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, because we already hit the 0.382 level at the price point of $17.44. And as usual, I've told you that correction should have a shape of simple zigzag, at least this shape. And because of this, my main assumption was that we were approaching the bottom of the C wave. And right here we had the lowest point so far at $16.78. It doesn't hit to the tick the range of about 0.5, but we all know that it is not the strict line where you should put your entry point or exit points. Definitely it is the range of price action. And I have to say that from this level we went higher, and it was quite predictable, and the structure is basically very clear right now. I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint in just several minutes. But for now, let me show you that if you follow my call, you might be up for about 17%. And definitely it is a very good achievement in a matter of just 3 sessions. So let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you this article. We are on lucidinsider.com, and this article was published on May 25th, and it said, Lucid Motors issues recall for glass cockpit instrument panel for 1,117 Lucid Air EVs. And let me quote you this. Lucid Motors has sent emails to some customers who have already received their Lucid Air EVs about a new recall. This one is specific to the Ethernet wiring harness for the glass cockpit instrument panel. Lucid Motors said this harness may not have been secured properly. This seems to impact both Dream Edition and Grand Touring models, but how many were actually impacted is hard to know. The NHTSA site says that the potential number of units affected is 1,117. The harness can become damaged by rubbing against another part of the vehicle and disable the display screens. Disabled display screens will not show critical information such as speed, gear selection indicators, warning lights and other in-vehicle notifications, which can increase the risk of a crash, the company added. And definitely these recalls are not very bullish for any companies, but let me show you that right after this recall was published, we had this movement to the upside that gained about 17%. So it is what it is. This recall didn't affect in any cases the price of Lucid. Instead of this, it went higher. And the main information that we should pay our attention to is the number of vehicles affected. And let me show you another article on the same website. And this article was published also on May 26th, and it said, Lucid Motors delivery 1,117 electric vehicles through mid-May 2022. And let me quote you this. With the recall news, we know that Lucid Motors has recalled all their cars that were delivered, and they had to release the actual number of cars potentially impacted. That number was 1,117 Lucid Air EVs. This means Lucid Motors delivered 1,117 EVs through mid-May. And definitely they have to deliver, let me show you this, they have to deliver from 12,000 to 14,000 vehicles in 2022. And this is the official press release that they published on May the 5th on their website. And it is the information from their first quarter 2022 financial report. Definitely, to achieve at least lower border of this production rate, they have to literally triple their deliveries, because if it is the total number of their vehicles that were delivered and mid-May, let's assume that they delivered these vehicles by the beginning of May. This means 4 full months, and the deliveries is 1,117 vehicles. If they triple this amount each and every 4 months, definitely they will achieve the range of about 12,000 vehicles. And if it is the case, definitely they can reach their guidance that they disclosed recently. And definitely in this case, Lucid will beat the investors' expectations. But otherwise, if they won't be able to increase their production rates by tripling for each 4 months period, definitely it will be another disappointing moment for existing shareholders. So it is what it is, and we have to be prepared for any type of news. So, and let me show you another news. You all know that Steve Wozniak just received his Lucid Air, and we are on Lucid Insider again. And on May 25th, we have this article, and it says Steve Wozniak posts review a week into driving the Lucid Air Dream Edition. And here is the summary was posted. He loves the look of the Lucid Air more so than the Tesla. Misses Tesla's better autopilot feature. Adaptive cruise control works fine in the Lucid. Collision avoidance is useful and helpful for the Lucid. Lucid is one step closer to I for AI, he said. AC works fine, so quite interesting detail. Tidal for music is great. Software UI is as bad as Tesla. It is an eye catcher. People come up to the car a lot. Charging and range is great. Lucid has fewer lies so far. Definitely it is a very meaningful and basically it is a good opinion from Steve Wozniak. And I have to say that Steve Wozniak might be one of the people who unintentionally promotes Lucid Air. And definitely it is a good sign from the marketing standpoint for Lucid, and definitely it might benefit in their potential delivery rates. So let me show you another news directly related to Lucid Motors. They just posted these several tweets and they opened a new studio in Manhasset, New York. And definitely next studio increases their exposure on the market, and it brings new opportunities for the company to increase their deliveries as well. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we hit again the range of resistance that we hit previously and that I marked right here at this very point, and I can even draw this line. And it might connect even more pivotal points for this asset. As you can see, we have a couple of pivotal points right here, and this range acts as a support. Right here it is the resistance, right here it is the resistance with the false breakout resistance, and resistance as well right now. This means we might see some kind of pullback. And in my opinion, this pullback might happen at the very beginning of upcoming week, because if we will take a look on indicators, we have bearish divergence right here. We have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. This means we might see some kind of pullback, but it is not 100% guaranteed, because right here we have basically symmetrical triangle, and this triangle also might break either way. And if it is the case, we might see even next movement to the upside. And this movement to the upside will increase the price of this stock, and we might hit next range of resistance that is at roughly $21.96, this red line. Definitely we have to patiently wait, and I have to say that from the investor standpoint, you will have another opportunity to enter your long-term position if you want to catch the next breath of this asset. And on the retracement, you will be able to enter or to add to your position to accumulate more Lucid shares and to have more profits in the future. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Just be cautious in upcoming week, and I will do another update in just several days. There I will show you what should we expect next. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay